Escolta Street was created in 1594 and got its name from the Spanish word escoltar, meaning to escort. It was the main thoroughfare for merchants and traders who came to Manila to participate in the lucrative galleon trade. The street was lined with shops and boutiques selling imported goods from China, Europe, and Latin America. By the late 19th century, Escolta Street flourished into a fashionable business district hosting the city's tallest buildings as well as the Manila Stock Exchange. The street was also home to many of the country's firsts, such as the first bank, theater, ice cream parlor, and luxury department store. An electric tram line known as Tranva plied the street, adding to its charm and elegance. However, Escolta Street declined in the 1960s when the center of business shifted to Makati. Many of its buildings were abandoned or neglected, losing their former glory. In recent years, however, a community of passionate activists, creative individuals, and a collective called 988 Collaboratory have worked together to revive and reimagine Escolta Street. They have introduced new ideas and activities to showcase the street's architectural gems, cultural diversity, and artistic potential. Today, Escolta Street is a vibrant and dynamic place where you can experience the past and the present in harmony. You can visit museums and galleries that display memorabilia and artworks from old Manila. You can shop for local and handmade products at pop-up stores and boutiques. You can enjoy craft beer and coffee at cozy bars and cafes. You can also join events and workshops that celebrate Escolta Street's history and culture. Escolta Street is more than just a street. It is a living testament to Manila's resilience and creativity. It is a place where you can discover stories and secrets that will enrich your appreciation of this city. Join us as we explore Escolta Street, the Queen of Streets.